this thing called SN Plus. Now, it's supposed to mean something like pre-detonation protection for turbocharged engines under a low speed, high load, something like that. Anyway, some people tested this oil at high temperatures and low temperatures, and it does better than a lot of other oils. So I'm gonna just keep it like that. Go Google the video. This is the oil filter for the car, but there's two in this box, and those are $8 on Amazon. Please don't go to the store and buy one for $16 or $15. You can get two off Amazon for $8. So maintaining this car is actually pretty easy. You drive up on these ramps, drop the oil into one of these bad boys. You put some Amazon Basics in. You get this off Amazon. Two filters for $8. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I got the 2-ton jack because my car only weighs 3,500, and 4 of those for safety. And for the coilover video, we will do one because these are for older Kias, or older Rios, I'm sorry. So called the guys, they said they'll swap me out for free, just put everything back in the box. I'm just waiting for them to get the right coilovers. They're called SC coilovers by Rev9. And the Hyper Street, here's the box right here. They're also in LA. Everything that came on this car, or everything that's put on this car, is from LA. I'm gonna just tell you that right now. So there's the maintenance oil, blah, blah. My car is at 40,000. Get the camera in here again. Try and get a focus on it. Maybe not. Okay, so. Damn this camera. Anyway, 40,000, and I had a check engine light, so I put some Cataclean in here. I'm not sure if it was because of my aftermarket exhaust, aftermarket exhaust, that I had a check engine light. So the guy at AutoZone said, "Hey, put some Cataclean up in there. It'll be all right." So I put some Cataclean in and some 91 octane. No more check engine light. And actually, since I just got this car back from Kia, they did the software update for anti-theft, and you can see when you do the update, they put these cool little stickers on your car to deter people from stealing your shit. Kind of cool. Kind of don't want it. Whatever. It's going to help me in the long run. And what else do they do? They didn't do much, but where's that service paper? I had a service paper. Oh, wow. Oh, it's in my bag. So I have a service paper, and it says Dua coolant. It says check your coolant. What else does it say? This is the list of things that they didn't do, but they recommend. It says do brakes, brake fuel, or a lot brake fuel. Yeah, DOT3. It's brake fluid. Why do they want brake fluid done at 40,000 miles? Trans service, fuel injection clean, 406. I just did that with Cataclean. That Cataclean cost me $25. They're charging people $400 for Cataclean. Oh, hell no, Kia. Kia, call me. We can talk about this. We can get this right. Y'all don't pay for this, man. Go get some Cataclean. Don't pay that $465. Throttle body service, I'll Google that. And that'll be our third video. So, I guess with this car all modded up, it'll just be all maintenance videos and a few more mod videos like the coilovers. But along with maintenance, I did the spark plug swap for Iridiums. I forgot what they had in here already, but stock they had something that was already pretty good. But I got Iridium plugs, and shoot, man, I think that's the last thing I changed. This was the oil I was running, but we're getting rid of that. We're switching to Amazon. So yeah, if you like this video, leave a like, follow, and we're gonna do Kia stuff together. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Get in the comment section. All that YouTube stuff. Because I'm not sure how often I'm gonna be able to upload videos, but I can definitely answer questions because it's just me and a Kia and whoever else bought one. So that's it. Peace out, guys. Enjoy your day. Let me know about your Kia.